Hi everyone! Today we will solve this entertaining question. It is from Turkey Junior Balkan Math Olympiad Team Selection Test in 2026. We are given three non-negative integers and this equation here, and we are asked to find all ABC triplets. Obviously, 6 to the power A should be greater than or equal to 7 to the power B. That is why if 6 to the A is equal to 7 to the B, it means that A and B, both of them are 0. In this case, yes, indeed, this equation holds. And we can say that 6 to the power A and 7 to the power B is 1 minus 1, which is 0. That is why we will get this triplet A, B, C, and all of them is just 0. Now, let's consider that 6 to the power A is greater than 7 to the power B. At that time, let's just look this equation in mod 3. We know that 6 is divisible by 3. That is why 6 to the power A is 0 mod 3. On the other hand, we have c square. Usually, the square of an integer can be only 0 or 1 in mod 3. Because you can actually check it by yourself. Let's say c is 0 mod 3, then obviously c squared will be 0 mod 3 as well. Now let's say c is 1 mod 3. In this case, c squared will be 1 square mod 3, and 1 square is also 1. On the other hand, let's say c can be 2 mod 3. Let's say now it is 2 mod 3. At that time, c squared is 2 square mod 3. 2 square is 4 mod 3. And 4 is actually itself is 1 mod 3. That is why in any case, if c is an integer, which is integer in this case, then its square can be only 0 or 1 mod 3. It is actually applied in any number, any integer number, I mean. So that is why we can say that 7 to the power b can be only 1 mod 3 when b is an even number, or we can say b is equal to 0 mod 2. However, in this case, actually 7 itself is 1 mod 3. So it means that 7 to the power b is 1 to the power b mod 3, and in any case 1 to the power b when b is an integer will be 1 mod 3. It means that in this equation in mod 3 we will get 0 minus 1 is equal to either 0 or 1 mod 3. But there is this problem here. 0 minus 1, which is minus 1, is 2 mod 3. It means that we can just add 3 to minus 1 and we will get 2. Actually, it doesn't matter whether we get. It can also be, for instance, minus 4 or minus 7. It doesn't matter. We can just add or subtract some multiple of 3 and then we can just get some number that is between 0 and 3, less than 3 actually. Okay, now we found that in mod 3, 7 to the power 6 to the power a minus 7 to the power b is 2 mod 3. However, we said that in any case, if c is an integer, then c squared can be only 0 or 1 mod 3. Because of this reason, it's impossible to find some triplets other this one that hold this equation.